When you need to invite me to a video shoot, I mean, not stop saying this to the artist them. Invite me to a video shoot. I want feature in a somebody video too. I want feature in a somebody video. I am somebody's son. I am somebody's picnic. Yo, Popcorn. We'll not deal with people. Me a react to that. Today we are breakdown. We are blood clot breakdown. Big up yourself, Stinx. Stinx. You know say bad man dressed in a black winner wear pinks. I want to some blood clot boy. Stinx featuring RA, real artillery. Some boy don't chat and watch bumble clot man like them name Hillary. I want to some pussy. Let we go. That song a name Mirror. Blood clot. Look pan rhyme pan time. Youth warlord speaking. Let's go. We not waste no time. Youth, we are breakdown. Let's go.
You know that it's pink. Better duck in the seat when I pull out this weapon. See so cute. She kissing my cheek. She show me affection.
So this seems like it's a girl song and a bad man song in a one. I don't know what I go on, but let's
look in the mirror, smile on my face when I see the reflection. Don't mind me, 4 or 5 of the ways that there for protection.
So the man I said looking at the mirror, smile on my face when I see the reflection. So basically I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of who me is. Me comfortable, me happy with who I am. So I have a smile on my face when I see the reflection because I'm looking back at myself. Me looking at me through the mirror, looking at, you know what I mean? Let's go.
So cute. She kissing my cheek, she show me affection. Me too loose, pain, aggression, slip with the Western.
Kiss from the cheek, you don't know the girl I'm love after G. You don't know the girl I'm love after G. Yes, let's continue.
The streets, so you know what it is, I'm full of aggression. You know that it's peak, better duck in the seat when I pull out this weapon.
Hey, ducking in the seat when I pull out my weapon, I want to hear you out. Ducking your name suit you. Alright, your name suit you. Your bumbo clot, your name suit you. Real artillery, blood clot do some boy.
Have up the beef, put it on repeat and I wet up the section. I don't know the beat, I just rise up the heat, I got a selection.
Yeah, the man just say, him don't know defeat. Him don't know him just rise up the heat and problem, trouble there your foot. Take with yourself, run, move, quick.
Hess was away for a long time. Hess one chest, I got mine. Hess invest, no consign. Hess one money back on time.
Well, wait. Hear the flow there a while ago? Hear the flow.
Hess was away for a long time. Hess one chest, I got mine. Hess invest, no consign. Hess one money back on time.
Yo, alright, Stinx. Your flow them just different, bro. Your flow them just like literally different, bro. Like no joke. Let's go.
COVID, long line, smokers, bong mine, focus, on grind, 4/5, long pipe, hey.
I'm saying 4/5 long pipe. I'm saying the end, so I'm saying something about 4/5.
Focus, bong mine, focus, on grind, 4/5, long pipe, hey.
4/5 long bind. If a long bind you say, that means that the 4/5 shot them fat. The 4/5 shot them fat. You see me? Him say focus on mine also. Word play. Him just a word play. Him just a word play what the full thing. That's how I'm chat a while ago. Big him up. Talented you.
You, pussy fix your face, man, you're talking. Wait, now. Reach, lean, press it, corpse.
Pussy fix your face. Address me with respect. Pussy put respect on my name. Fix your bumbucklat face. Hey boy. Fix your face. Mind how you approach. Approach with caution. Me have the 4/5 in my ass and be yourself, yo.
H that thing with the toting. Turn your son into a nothing. Warning.
Fatality.
Awesome.
Warning. Fatality. If you know, you know about fatality. If you know, you
Turn
know.
your son into a nothing. Warning.
Fatality.
Awesome. Aki came up with the porous. Catch me spilling with the sauces.
Yo. Me like that. Look part the while ago. That part that get me look a bit hyped, look a bit pumped.
Beautylicious, she is gorgeous.
Oh my.
Pretty face, skin flawless.
Ooh. Yo, hold on.
Beautylicious, she is gorgeous.
Oh my.
Pretty face, skin flawless.
Stinx. Hear me I say. Just listen to me carefully, my brother. You see me? When I make video like them, I only need to invite me, brother. When you need to invite me to a video shoot, I mean, not stop saying this to the artist them. Invite me to a video shoot. I want feature in a somebody video too. I want feature in a somebody video. I am somebody's son. I am somebody's picnic. So when you invite me to one on a video shoot, especially with girls like this in the video, oh my God, I will be distracted all day. All day I will be distracted. Invite me to another video shoot, brother. Hit me up on Instagram, brother. See me link here. See me link here. Just look down there so you see the link, brother. Come on, man.
I'm just kicking back with Bay. Beat the
Yeah.
run away.
Yeah.
Can we spray? Lift the fight another day. Hey.
Man, just kicking back with Bay. Yo, want some what? Milo. Milo, not water, Milo. God, I want the sweet.
Smile on my face when I see the reflection. Don't mind me. 4-5 of the waist that they're protection. She's so cute. She kissing my cheek. She showed me affection.
The chorus catchy also. The chorus is so catchy. Like, no joke about it. The chorus catchy. Like, yo, video. Dog, me I beg on that. Just invite me, brother.
Me
Invite.
too loose. Pain, aggression, spit with the west.
Hey, I'm from the streets, so you know what it is. I'm full of aggression. Facts.
That's what the street make you be. That's what the street turn you out to be. You have to have aggression. Even if you don't want to use it, you have to have it. Because some people will take it. Some people will take you for pussy like we under Keisha. Some people will take you for pussy like we under every girl. And sometimes you have to show them what is what. No boy can't run up. Me too aggressive. My bum buckler bipolar. Don't try it. You will get knocked out.
You know that it's peak. Better duck in your seat when I pull out this weapon.
Shit.
Have up the beef. Put it on repeat and I wet up your section. I don't.
And just you alone will get wet up in your whole section and get wet up. Your whole section and get wet up. So try and know that. Don't fucking ramp. That's what the boss tell her, not me.
Know defeat. I just rise out the heat. I got a selection. Ours been away for a hot minute. Facts. Ours caught a case. It was wrong in it.
Facts. So he's been away for a hot minute, right? He's done prison time before, right? Real artillery done prison time. I think I was reading something about that.
My man got touched, yeah, the Jones did it. We stepping on anything on time. Leave his marrow and melanin on site. Right, too fly for them gal, she the wrong type. Can't get on this jet sheet, the Jones tight.
Styling, disrespect. The disrespect when I'm saying a while ago. Me not skipping up. Me not go back in. Let's go, man. Let's
S
go.
on the track is a problem. I see S with a whack very often. I might test out the Mac on your squadron. See him rest on his back, I just watch them.
So who is S? Who is S Stinx? Who him call S? Is S Stinx, guys? Stinx, are you S?
See me spaz out with a hunting. You know the gang's out on the gang ting. When the smoke clears, I'm still standing. Whack on my waist. Ain't catching a case. I slap off your face with cool shots.
Man said. On a one man standing when the smoke's clear. Furthermore, me whap on my waist. Me I catch a... Yo. The aggression is real. Track bad.
I catch him his game, I drag off his braids and walk on valley and pain. Strally with grains, I have up your lane and also live on the field.
This is violent. This is violent. I like it.
I ain't them niggas you fool.
Look in the mirror. Smile on my face when I see the reflection. Don't mind me. 4-5 of the waist that they're protection.
Don't mind me. The 4-5 just there for protection. It's just here casually for protection. When I say protection, I mean condom, you know? When I say protection, I mean condom. If a boy run up, he might go drop down. You don't know. Cash him. And no, nah, miss everything I connect. Yeah, try to do
She's
that.
so cute. She kissing my cheek. She showed me affection. Me too loose. Pain, aggression, spit with the west.
Hey, I'm from the streets.
I like that song. I'm not telling a lie. That song yeah, need more views. Honestly, that song yeah, need to get more.
So you know what it is, I'm full of aggression. Facts. You know that it's peak. Better duck in your seat when I pull out this weapon. Have up the beef. Put it on repeat and I wet up your section. I don't.
Here things I drop the ad-libs them in the background. Rah!
know defeat. I just rise out the heat. I got a selection.
Directed by DA. Big up yourself, DA. Big up yourself. Yo, the beat bad too, you know. The beat bad too. The girl look good, eh? I see you, baby. I see you. See them socials there. Show them the love. Show them the love. Go show them the love. Show them the love what them deserve, man. Them a put in work. Go show them the love what them deserve. Them a put in work. You see me?
Yeah.
So hold on. This is a different song now. This is a different song where because this is a totally different beat. Let's go.
Saves, turn me up in the headphones. Like that. Love RA block 5 gender. Read.
Yeah, you see the man rolling in a brother? Rose rice in a dog. The double R's in a brother.
Top of, that's my brother. Mash it. My background, CJ.
Yo, I'm waiting for that one. I am literally waiting for that one to forward. Yo, Stinx, big up yourself, my G. Alright, big up yourself, my G. Hear me say that. You don't need to invite me, brother. Just hit me on my DM and say, yo, video shoot this such and such time. Forward. If it's a dress code, let me know. What's the dress code? Let me know. Man, we dead there. And show them pussy as them outside and them girl outside. Blood, I think me a house rat? No, negative. I want to be outside. But the song bad. I like the song. The song needs to get more views than this though. The song needs to get more fucking views. Where people are do. They must sleep on them youth, brother. They must sleep on them youth. The man them talented, bro. Man them talented. Dog, big up on yourself. We're outside. We're out here. You see me? Until the next one, guys. See you. Is it?